Hello everyone, welcome to Carpentry Works.
Ready? Let's begin.
Hello everyone, this day we will talk about personal entrepreneurial competencies and skills, or PICS. In this module, you will learn more about entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial competencies related to carpentry. You will have a personal experience in educational activities leading to assessment of your personal entrepreneurial competencies or PICS and the entrepreneurial competencies of a successful carpenter within your province. You will also have several activities that will align your competencies with those of a successful practitioners. Moreover, this module will encourage you to think about entrepreneurship and its role in the business community, as well as in economic and social development of an individual. At the end of this module, you are expected to first identify areas for improvement, development, and growth. Second, align your picks according to your business or career choice. Third, create a plan of action that ensures success in your business or career choice. What is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person. Entrepreneurs are those with skills and capabilities to see and evaluate business opportunities. They are individuals who can strategically identify products or services needed by the community and have the capacity to deliver them at the right time and at the right place. Entrepreneurs are agents of economic change. They organize, manage, and assume risk of a business. What are the good qualities of an entrepreneur? First, opportunity seeker, risk taker, goal setter, excellent planner, confident problem solver, hardworking, persistent, and committed worker. Opportunity seeker, meaning to say someone who can see a chance and jump into it. Next is risk taker, a person who is willing to do things that involves danger or risk in order to achieve a goal. Goal setter is the process of identifying something that you want to accomplish and establish measurable goals and timeframes. Excellent planner are people whose job is to make decisions about what is going to be done in the future. For example, town planners decide how land should be used and what new buildings should be built. Confident problem solver comes from having a good process to use when approaching a problem. Hardworking, tending to work with energy and commitment, or being diligent. Persistent, continuing firmly or obstinately in a course of action despite difficulty or opposition. Committed worker is one who strives to complete assignments on time and not someone who dawdles until the last minute then drives the rest of the office crazy with hysterical efforts to catch up. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a process. Entrepreneurship, on the other hand, is not just a simple business activity, but a strategic process of innovation and new product creation. Basically, entrepreneurship is both an art and science of converting business ideas into marketable products or services to improve the quality of living. What is entrepreneurial competencies? Well, it refers to important characteristics that should be possessed by an individual in order to perform entrepreneurial functions effectively. Next in the list are the important characteristic, traits, attributes of a good entrepreneur. First, hardworking. Again, one of the important characteristics of a good entrepreneur is hardworking. This means working diligently and being consistent about it. Hardworking people keep improving their performance to produce good products and or provide good services. Self-confident. Entrepreneurs have self-reliance in one's ability and judgment. They exhibit self-confidence to cope with the rest of operating their own business. Disciplined. Successful entrepreneurs always stick to the plan and fight the temptation to do what is unimportant. Committed. Good entrepreneurs assume full responsibility over their business. They give full commitment and solid dedication to make the business successful. Ability to accept change. Nothing is permanent but change. Change occurs frequently. When you own a business, you should cope with and thrive on changes. Capitalize on positive changes to make your business grow. Creative. An entrepreneur should be creative and innovative to stay in the business and in order to have an edge over the other competitors or being different. Has the initiative. An entrepreneur takes the initiative. You must put yourselves in a position where you are responsible for the failure or success of your business. You have their initiative. Profit-oriented. An entrepreneur enters the world of business to generate profit or additional income. The business shall become your bread and butter. Therefore, you must see to it that the business can generate income. Listed below are the important skills of a successful entrepreneur. First, again, excellent planner are people whose job is to make decisions about what is going to be done in the future. For example, town planners decide how land should be used and what new buildings should be built. Possesses people skills. This is a very important skill needed to be successful in any kind of business. People skills refers to effective and efficient communication and establishing good relationship to the people working in and out of your business. In day-to-day business transactions, you need to deal with the people. A well-developed interpersonal skill can make a huge difference between success and failure of the business. Sound decision maker. Successful entrepreneurs have the ability to think quickly and to make wise decisions towards a predetermined set of objectives. No one can deny that the ability to make wise decisions is an important skill that an entrepreneur should possess. Sound decisions should be based on a given facts and information and lead towards the predetermined objectives. Always remember, a successful entrepreneurs continuously develop and improve their picks. Well, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell, like, comment, and share this video to get updated on the latest videos that I'll be posting here. Once again, have a great day.